Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute LiveGood tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video. For those people who actually, want to put effort in with LiveGood, can make a ton of money, right? And I'm gonna tell you why. Because if you are somebody who's like, yo, I want to be active, like I don't want to just wait on a little extra money here and there, I want to go hard. The fact that you get a 50% matching bonus for every personal referral that you bring in to LiveGood, like this makes your earning potential ridiculous. Like people will be sleeping on this. People really be sleeping, because if you thought about what I'm about to break down to you, you definitely would be a LiveGood member. You would get off this video, sign up, and start promoting the hell out of this once you really think about what I'm about to tell you. All right, so with a 50% matching bonus, this is how it works. Say my sister, which I just told you about, I brung her in. She signed up underneath me, right? So how I just told you, she's preparing to go hard. She's in Arizona. And she's like, yo, she getting her flyers together. She got her own YouTube channel. She's on Facebook, right? So say she starts earning $5,000 a month from her matrix, all right? Because she's been going hard. She's committed. She's dedicated, all right? I'm going to get $2,500 every month just because I brung her in. Think about that for a second, right? So just say, I got another guy on my team. He's in New Orleans, right? I reached out to him. We were talking after he joined, and he's like, yo, I'm ready to rock and roll. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going hard with this opportunity. So just say, you know what I'm saying? He really on it like he say he is. Just say he goes out and he's making $8,000 next year from LiveGood, from his matrix. Just say he's making $8 grand. I'm going to get $4,000 a month from him. So just imagine if my sister was doing that and I'm getting $2,500 from her, and I'm getting $4,000 from my guy in New Orleans. That's $6,500, $6,500 a month I'm getting from just bringing in two go-getters. Two! God damn it.